Hey guys, today I'm sharing 5 simple tips for baking the perfect cake. For stress-free cake tutorials and advice, be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. Also, if you want to see some behind-the-scenes tips I don't share anywhere else, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Bakecause. So, tip number 1 for perfect cakes, use room temperature ingredients. Your eggs, milk, and butter should be at room temperature so that everything mixes in easily and bakes evenly. And this also helps produce a lighter textured cake. One quick tip about eggs though, they're easier to crack when cold. So crack your eggs fresh out of the refrigerator and then let them come to room temperature. Tip number 2, when you measure your flour, use a kitchen scale if possible or the spoon and level method. Most of the time, people pack in their flour and this adds an excessive amount of dry ingredients which can result in a dry cake. It's best to measure your flour in grams, or you can spoon your flour into your cup until it overflows and then level it off. Tip number 3, don't overmix your batter. This can cause a tough, chewy, and dense cake. What you can do instead is towards the end of mixing your batter, take it off your stand mixer and use a spatula to mix by hand. Tip number 4, don't overfill your cake pans. You want to fill your pans 3/4 of the way or less. You can use a kitchen scale to evenly distribute batter between your cake pans so that each cake comes out uniform and the same size. Tip number 5, double check your oven temperature. Home ovens sometimes run too hot or too cold, so use an oven thermometer to check your temperature. Mine runs a little hotter, so I always turn my oven to less than 350 degrees Fahrenheit or whatever the recipe calls for. So there you have it, 5 simple tips on how to bake a perfect cake. Let me know which tip was your favorite in the comments below. If you liked this video, be sure to click like, hit subscribe, and check out all my other videos listed below.